Good morning, good morning. I spent the night in the car. It was not a very comfortable sleep, and now I'm delighted with some images here of the mountains and the lake. I'm trying to start a fire, but everything is soaked, and I'll go for a short walk on the ice just to start the morning. I've been here yesterday till it was getting dark, and it seems that the ice is solid, and I'm going for a short ski run. But look at the views here. Never get old. Yes, never get old. We get old, but these mountains are all the same every single year. Let's zoom in, see the beauty. Yeah, and that's the way I start the morning today, and it feels that I'm disconnected from the rat wheel, from the kind of a busy Vancouver life, and people chattering, complaining, yelling, screaming, unhappy with the pandemic. If I could see happy faces, yeah, it would be a different story. To see that people mind their own lives, do stuff to feel meaningful, help each other, yeah, that would be a nicer world. But it seems that with a purpose, with a very clever skills like a craft, they crafted a new world when people are living in fear, not really happy. It was a time during the pandemic when the people around, I could see they were very nice because they got scared and they realized the power of God or something like that, or power of nature. Uh, Maybe they realized that the virus was made up. I don't know, but it changed. Like that time lasted about maybe half a year, a couple of months, and now people are even less helping each other, like less nice. I'm recording this one for this channel to give you an idea that if you disconnect from that world, if you live in a major city, it it helps you. It helps you to rebalance and recharge, re-energize. So back to my little fire. Probably is gone. Oh, still going, still going. That's a good thing. It's a good thing because last night I was using a torch to dry the firewood, and I was hoping that the torch would help a little bit. I left the torch heating up the area, and then I said, yeah, forget about it's a lost cause. We'll just heat up some soup, and I had a really good soup. It was amazing, amazing. Just a store-bought soup, nothing special, but because of the contrast with the cold here, it was really good. So talk to you later. Bye bye.